Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change team member permissions in FreshBooks. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next one is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get in there, follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change team member permissions. Now, from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel where you have dashboard, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, reports, apps, team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. Now go ahead and click on team members. That takes you right into the team members window. And here we have team members. So this is Amanda Mack, that's myself, and this team member here already. So if I want to change this team member permissions, all I need to do is to click on the member's name. Now you have the basic information about this person, and you have the role permissions, invitation sent. So for me to change the role and permissions, I just need to click on this edit button. And after clicking on that, now I can select the role. I can change the role to either manager or just an employee or an unassigned person. So let's say I change this to admin so that this person can also have full access to FreshBooks account when I am not available. So that has been changed. Now click on save. And the role has been changed. So that way, that person has been changed to admin. So if I go back to team members, and it takes me back into this window, you're going to see now this person is an admin. All right, so that is how to change team member permissions. Now we can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.